Hi, I'm Joe from Screw Innovations with another night power sports product. This is our Honda O2 Delete Kit. Inside the package, you'll get our thank you note, sticker, card linking you to this video you're watching now, and some info about our safe box. You will get the plug that goes in place of where your O2 sensor was, and the wire harness that replaces your O2 sensor. If your wire harness looks like this, then this kit fits your vehicle. So let's go ahead and install. First step is going to be to remove your seat. That is all that you really need to take off in order to do this. This part right here is what holds the connector in for your O2 sensor. And if you come around the side over here and look at your exhaust with a 17mm wrench, you can get your O2 sensor out. So before I keep doing that though, I'm going to take this plug out by pinching the two sides of it here, pushing that down, and then I'm taking the plastics off really so you could see that right here is where you want to push down. By pushing down on there, it releases the clip right here, and then you can pull the two apart. Now I can spin my O2 sensor, and that wire can spin around. That's it. My O2 sensor is removed. I can take the connector that comes with the kit, plug this in. So put dielectric grease on these connections here, especially if you're going to be water riding. Push this together, you hear the click, then you can put it right back where it was, just like that. The plastic goes back on. On some vehicles, this is going to be located in a different place, but the connectors will be the same. Next, take the plug. This uses a 5mm Allen head. Put the washer on here, get a 5mm Allen head, and then screw this in where you took your O2 sensor out from. It's a little hard to see here, it's kind of behind. Goes right here. Do not over tighten this, it just needs to be snug. That's it. We can put our seat back on and turn the quad on, and you'll see that there is no check engine light, no more code 23 showing you that there's a bad O2 sensor. All fixed, all ready to go in the water.